US Mobile is an MVNO that runs on both the Verizon and T-Mobile networks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and activate the service. So let's start by showing you how to get this SIM starter kit. So now I'm going to show you how to get the US Mobile starter kit and for free. So click the Get Started button at the top on their website, and then click Order $3.99 starter kit, but again, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So add it to the bag, and then log in with your account and enter your billing information and address. So you're going to enter the promo code here, free SIM, right there, and apply that. And then the kit is free, but you still have to pay for shipping. So what you want to do is select the free shipping option here, and then boom, $0.00. So what you want to do is log in with your account or create one if you're new, and then enter your credit card information and billing address, but again, you will not be charged for the SIM kit. So when you get your starter kit in the mail, you should find 2 SIM cards in here. So select which one you want. So the black one is for the Super LTE network or the Verizon network, and the white one is for the GSM LTE network or the T-Mobile network. Now US Mobile has special code names for these, probably because they're not allowed to tell you what companies actually run the networks. Because I'm not US Mobile, I'm allowed to tell you. We'll pick the Verizon network for this one. So you're going to pop out the smallest size SIM, or whichever one fits your phone. For me, that's the nano SIM. Again, that's the small one. Then they actually include a SIM card ejector tool for you to do that. So that's pretty handy and convenient. Just taped to the back of the kit. And you will want to keep this card because you will have some information on there that you'll need to enter when you activate it. But just insert the SIM ejector tool into your phone. Very self-explanatory. And by the way, if we look here, you can see there's the no SIM notification with the Samsung phone here, but we're going to put the SIM card into the drawer for US Mobile. So get down there, and then pop that into the phone, and then now we need to activate it. So now it's time to get on to the most important part, activating the service. So you're gonna go to usmobile.com/activate, and then go to Let's Begin, and then click I'm ready to activate. And remember, you gotta order your starter kit. So I'm using the Super LTE network. However, if you're using the GSM LTE network, then click Continue with GSM. But again, I'll be using the Super LTE network. So I've got to find my IMEI number here. So when you've entered your number, it's going to verify it, and then you're going to say continue with Super LTE. And then you're going to enter the number on the back of the SIM card that you got for US Mobile, which is why you should definitely keep it and don't discard that. Now when you're done entering that, it'll give you the option to continue. And then I'm going to select get a new number here, and I'm going to enter the zip code. And continue with a new number, and then I'm going to select one of their unlimited data plans. So we're going to get the faster speeds here, and then we're going to continue with this plan, and then you have to enter your payment method here for your card. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then you're going to select whether you want auto pay on or off. I'll have it off for now, and then agree to the terms of service. And I'm actually going to enter a promo code here. They actually sent me a promo code to test out the service for free, so we're going to apply that. And then we're going to activate the line. And then it's going to process the payment, and then you should be good, activated the service. So now, once you've activated your service, it should look like this. So you can enter the name here. So I'm just going to enter Max for now, because that's my name. And then you can have the line number here, then what's your device. So I'm just going to enter my the device that I'm activating here. And then you can add an avatar. So I quite like this crocodile, so we're going to have that with a blue background. There we go. And save changes. So I think this account dashboard looks very beautiful and nice, and that's one of the reasons why I really like US Mobile. But now that you're activated, well, congratulations, you're activated. So it's been about 40 minutes and we finally gotten activated. It definitely takes a long time to activate, I've heard, on the Super LTE network or the Verizon network, but You can see at the top it says roaming indicator for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't say US Mobile. Maybe that's just a problem with my phone, but I tested it out and calls, texts, and data went through, and they gave me a new phone number to use with this line. So it's pretty sweet, but yeah, that is how to activate your US Mobile cell phone service. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, definitely be sure to subscribe with those notifications turned on for more videos about cell phone plans. I'm Max, here to help you save money on your cell phone bill, so be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.